nabili kong speaker for karaoke. Party Box 310 JBL. 21,000 nagiging 16,900 only. Thai baht ha. Thai baht siya guys. So excited. Battery playtime 18 hours. Okay. So oh my god. Tadaan! Oh my god. Tadaan! So happy. O diba? Work ang JBL. Ayan, para makita nyo guys. Ayan. Then, oh, power. I-try natin yung yung microphone. Tadang! Ito yung saksakan. Sa likod siya guys. So, okay, charger siya nito. See, charge lang. Tsaka solid ang bigat, it's really heavy. Bigat ng microphone, solid. Okay, so try natin. Ikot ko muna. See, here. Ito. Turn on. Lagay. 2. Okay. Then, lang. On mo lang. Really easy. So, okay na yung mic. Hello, diba? So, yung i-try natin is pag-connect paano sa Bluetooth. Ano natin? Turn on. Bluetooth. Turn on mo lang. JBL Party Box 310. Tingnan natin sa YouTube, guys. Okay, wait. Ayan.